If you want to add a widget to the home screen on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, we need to simply press and hold your finger on an empty space in the home screen, there we go, and then at the bottom go to widgets. Over here we have some example widgets, but we can also scroll down in order to find different apps that have widgets. So let's say I'm gonna choose Spotify, and then we have two options. We can simply tap on the widget and then press add, so that the widget will be immediately added to the first available space of the current page. Or you can also, let's go to widgets again. You can also press and hold your finger on the widget and then start dragging it. There we go. So now you can choose where the widget should be added. Of course, you can go all the way to the left or to the right, so in order to change the page. And of course, if you have already added the widget, you can also press and hold on the widget in order to drag it to a new place. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.